The U.A.E. has the most expats in the world of any country, boasting many cities rife with tourism, luxury shopping, and perhaps one of the most important factors to this #1 spot, a country free of income tax. Aside from wealthy expats looking to spend in the sun, the majority of emigrants to the U.A.E. come from South Asia looking for opportunities. African countries are starting to become more attractive for a variety of different people, each looking for something different. Sectors thriving with opportunity are oil, gas, minerals, construction, finance, and telecommunications, all looking for investors and employees. For retirees, a peaceful, tranquil island such as Cape Verde or Madagascar may be calling. For younger professionals wanting a gap year, a young and vibrant country such as Ghana or South Africa may be a good fit. For a business person looking for a new market, Kenya or Nigeria provide a plane of opportunities. In 2017, 25 million documented migrants were living in Africa, 2% of Africa's population. Between 2000 and 2017, the number of international expats in Africa grew by an average of 3% per year. To put that into perspective, Switzerland, another country known for its expat community, has an expat population of 26% of its entire population. This shows the growth that is perhaps in store for Africa. Take a look at Kenya, ranked top of countries for expats in Africa by Internations, and see why this is the case. A digital boom coupled with English being widely spoken and topped off with an increase in residential units aimed at expats are three of the reasons why. However, with a rise in people with stronger currencies, does this start to offset and inflate the economy of these countries? And not all migration is physical. Africa's online freelance market is booming. With business being done online, the rise really is here to stay. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe to Habari Tech, your hub for African economics. Thank you.